There are 5 things that make up your credit score, and the number one thing that affects it is easy to keep track of, but could affect your credit score for the next 7 years if you slip up. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Let's talk about the little things. A lot of concern is put on the hard pull or hard check of your credit. This is when you apply for a mortgage or a car loan, maybe even a credit card. This hard check only makes up about 10% of your credit score. It's not a very big deal. What also isn't, but is also important, is the type of credit you have. They want to make sure you have a good mix. Do you have credit that adjusts each month, like your credit card statement? Or do you have a set credit or a set bill, like your mortgage or car payment? They like to see varying different types of credit. The next is your credit history. If you have a credit card that you've had open for 10 years, don't close it. That window will then shrink, and then they can't see your credit history for that long. Go ahead and put a tank of gas on it once a month and pay it off. Keep it active, but you don't have to use it as much as something else, but that history will help you. The second most important thing is the amount of credit that you use. What's that percentage look like? Are you using 100% of your credit, 50%? You want to keep that low, like 20, 30% or less. Using your credit each month and paying it off completely, that will help you. There's a little myth out there, oh, you should have a little bit and let it accrue. That's not true. All you're doing is adding interest that you're paying off. That doesn't make sense. Never pay interest. That's the key to becoming wealthy. Never, ever pay interest. But the number one thing that you should keep track of, if you can't pay off your credit card completely, at least make that minimum payment. Missing one minimum payment will stay on your credit for 7 years. It's not fair. I don't know why it affects you for 7 years. It shouldn't. But go ahead and set up on your credit card that automatic debt pay. That will help make sure that you never miss a single payment and keep your credit score going up. Has this been helpful for you? Did you learn something new? Hit that like button so folks just like you have the opportunity to learn something new as well. Thanks for watching, friends.